we going to fit that? How are we going to fit that on there? Yeah, nice
Way
one.
off, isn't it?
Is it off?
Yeah, way off. It's the middle there.
Right.
You need to get the pitch circle diameter of that. Then re-drill your holes, which are going to...
Do you know what I think we should do? I think we should put some longer bolts in these,
Yeah.
nip them up so they're hanging out, and then drill that onto that instead of trying to match it. You know what I mean?
Do what?
Same thing really, I suppose. Make a template of that, what these are, which yeah, it is obviously massively out, so we're going to have to stagger them.
We can't,
Yeah.
'cause then that's going to run. That's got to be in the centre. Can't stay one.
No, we will need these holes, those four. Oh, it's not even them four, it's them four.
Yeah.
Which they don't, they're not even close to being the
No.
same size.
So it's going to be there.
Yeah, and it doesn't even matter if it's that side.
No, that's your better side, isn't it?
Mm.
They don't line up, do they? Them ones.
Yeah, it's starting to get cold. Right.
We've got to
You
do
broke
something.
them.
We've got to do something with that. I don't know what, but we need to do something.
Well, we need to space it off.
That's what we've got to do.
Yeah, because it is definitely not going to be in line. It's close.
You've got to have it in line.
It is close though.
Yeah, no, it's damn close. Right, drill. It's the battery on charge.
The battery is fully charged and it's in there. Oh, someone's had a warm cup of coffee in there, Adam.
Someone's had a what?
Nice warm cup of coffee, so I said. Yeah, it'd be nice to get this done. Here's the point. I'm just disappointed that I won't get it in, but I think it's very unrealistic, isn't it?
Well,
We're mechanics, Adam, not flipping geniuses.
well, I'm a genius.
Oh yeah.
Don't count the chickens, Daniel.
Hey?
Don't count the chickens. That don't go for much adjustment, does it?
It's absolutely horrendous.
It's shocking.
Yeah,
Bolt,
absolutely
if that bolt was
horrendous.
off there,
You have got the right belt, haven't you?
I don't know, just put the belt up.
Yeah, I think yeah. You must have, because it was the only one here. Yep.
That is damn close. What are you freaking out about?
Oh, Adam! My hand! It's gone all weird! I'm not even kidding, look!
Yeah, what were you freaking out about?
Huh?
What were you freaking out
Oh
about?
yeah, last night. I think we need to look at the gearbox again, because is there something not engaging?
Yeah. Can't get it into gear.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense.
No.
So we've really done something wrong.
Or like you said, does it engage with pressure?
I don't know.
Because normally you'll just pull that
There's
up.
only that thing there, isn't there? What's this do? Nothing. That's
Yeah.
just a spacer, isn't it?
No, it's a bracket for something.
Yeah, to hold the levers,
Yeah.
I think. Yeah, so as you can see, we've put everything back onto this engine. Rerouted the wiring a little bit, just so we've got some more length on the cable. But pretty much everything that was on the old engine is now on this engine. Fingers crossed it does work. But we're not going to know until we get it into the actual boat and all wired in, because to be quite honest, me and Adam, as you know, we have no idea what we're doing. But to be honest, I didn't want to have to spend an awful lot of money for, well, I was quoted like £6,000 to £8,000 to do exactly what we've done. The new engine block, or the old engine block that we've had from somebody, was £150. I've spent about £300 on engine mounts, new belts, tensioners and gaskets. We will be checking the oil, and we'll be putting new fluids in it, so new oil, coolant and things like that for when we actually reconnect it all before we actually start it. That'll all be done, filters and things like that. But otherwise it's plug it in and see if it actually works, and fingers crossed it does. So the next step is trying to get this into the van, get it over to the narrowboat and get it back in situ into the narrowboat, which is going to be a mammoth task. We've got no idea how we're going to do it again. Probably a similar way as we got it out of the boat. We're going to try and put lots of railway sleepers, things like that, to get height, and some well, we're going to use winches and things like that to try and move the engine into situ. It's going to be a nightmare, but we're planning on not trying to lift it ourselves, trying to use the pulleys and planks, and basically using a head and not the muscles, because in my eyes, as soon as we start using our muscles, basically, if we have to try and keep this upright or lift it or move it with our hands, with our muscles, basically we're going to be in trouble. It possibly could land on us and hurt us, so we're not going to do that. We're going to use all pulleys, planks, all that sort of thing, to make sure that we don't actually physically have to move it ourselves. So next step, back on the boat with this engine, and fingers crossed it all starts, and hopefully we've saved a lot of money.
Ready, Eddie?
So Adam, what is this long like lovey-dovey
That is an engine moot. Now we're going to take an engine moot out of the boat.
Out of the boot?
And give it to me so I can take a measurement.
Okay, right.
Okay, let's just
Saw
get a
that
bit
high
of
up come in, I thought.
I know.
Crane there.
Right, so our mission
Daniel, silly question.
is to get that engine.
Crane there.
I know, but we can't get there, mate.
The boat's there.
We can't.
Why?
We can't, and the crane doesn't work. I know, I have thought about it.
The car park.
Anyway, into
There's a
there.
high up in the car park.
Go and talk to him.
And go, I need an engine lift.
Go and have a word with him and see if he'll do it.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Can't do anything here, Daniel. You can't move anywhere. This is disgusting. The work habit, the work environment, Daniel, isn't safe.
So Adam's connecting the engine to the prop shaft, and we've got emotional and coffee support, the pretty one, and Merlin, the superstar super dog. Say hello, Merlin.
Hello.
You good boy.
Yes, you are.